Hey, welcome back to my channel and to day 5 of Vlogmas. So today I'm going to show you an advent calendar that I was sent, and this one is a bit of a mystery. I didn't buy it. Beauty Bay don't know why it was sent to me because it did come from them. It was on the box. So I thought I'd show you what I've been sent. And it's by a brand called Florence by Mills, which I hadn't heard of. There's the box of the first item. So as well as this huge box, additionally, I was sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So if you want to see what I was sent, do keep watching. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm uploading content every day up until the 25th of December. And if you've missed the other days, you can check out the playlist, which is in the description below, as well as some of my other content which might pique your interest. So the first item, but I like the look of because I like using toner, and it is Spotlight Toner Series Episode 1, Brighten Up. She won't be. Ah, there we are. Just realising, never mind Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, what about Will the Red-Nosed Wigmaker? I'm not long back in with the dog, and it is about. Actually, I'll not tell you what about the time, I'll tell you the precise time. It is just after 3:30 in the afternoon, and it is almost pitch black outside. And it's wet, and it's cold, and it's windy, hence the reddish face. But I hope you're safe and well and warm and enjoying a nice cup of tea or coffee or OXO or hot chocolate or Bovril or whatever else it is you like to drink to keep warm. Yeah, so this is, yeah, that was a long-winded one, wasn't it? So this is, yeah, a toner, and I've never had a toner with the bottle. It's one of these ones that you push with a cotton pad and the product comes out. So I think once I've used that, I'll keep the bottle because I like that. I've not used any of these products yet, so if you want to see a review of all of them or each of them, do let me know in the comments. Write as much as you can in the comments, because the more comments and likes or dislikes and shares and views that I get, it means that my channel will grow, so please help me. Thank you very much. The next item is this, and it is Zero Chill Makeup Setting Spray. Let's get it out of the box. Oh, that looks fancy. Yeah, not much of a smell to it, and it's just a setting spray. What more can I say? Apart from poetry, apparently. The next one, Florence by Mills, Get That Grime Face Scrub. Let's get it open. And it comes in this nice little tube. They're all matte. And let's see the consistency of this. Or do I have to take off? No, it's got a little seal on it, which is always nice to know. So it's like a sort of emollient type. Oh, and it's got bits of grit in it. So that, yeah, hence the exfoliant. Not sure what I think of that. I've never really been one for using thing with beads, that's the word, not grit. But yeah, they've just went out into the street, picked up a load of sand grit and stuck it in a makeup tube. Or makeup product tube. Whatever. What am I saying? I don't know. Beads, that's the thing. Beads. So, doesn't have much of a smell either. So that'll be good if you've got like sensitive skin. Because some fragrances, I do realise they irritate sensitive skin. The next item is a Zero Chill Face Mist. So as well as these, I've got another 5 items to open in the advent calendar, so keep watching. Here it is. Shall I just do a bit of a mist just now? Oh. Got an ever so slightly floral scent to it, and it reads at the back, Maybe I should have done that with the other ones, eh? At the back of this one anyway, it says, when our skin has zero chill, we reach out for this botanical rose-infused spray to restore the good vibes. Made with seaweed, a natural skin soother rich in yummy nutrients and thyme extract, this wonder mist instantly transforms our skin from moody mills to major mills. Okay, and the final item that's out with the box is this. And it is Looking Alive Brightening Eye Cream. These all look, oh, and it's got a bit of an iridescent vibe to the tube. It's a pump. There's the consistency of the eye cream. No particular smell to it. And on the back it says, if I can read this, after a long night of binge watching, this eye cream visibly brightens and helps reduce the appearance of dark circles while providing an anti-fatigue effect for a more radiant appearance. Apricot kernel oil and shea butter soften and moisturise the skin to create a smooth canvas, while green coffee oil. Green coffee oil? I haven't heard of that one. If you have, let me know in the comments. Provides antioxidants that help us look alive. Asterisk yawns. Yeah, so that's the 5 items that was out with the box. Now let's get the actual advent calendar opened. So it comes in this huge box. Let's get one for the thumbnails. Oh, this looks cute. Oh, it's got like 60s vibe to it. Stay. Maybe this is the best one because it's a colourful one for the thumbnail. Yeah, I like this. It's got a little ribbon at the bottom. So let's undo that. Oh, and it opens up like this. You have all. So this has 12. Ah, right. So hang on. There's 12 in this. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 days of Christmas? Am I missing something here? Is that part of the brand? I've no idea. Let me know. We shall take... So we're going to do 1 to 5 because it's now the 5th of December, so number 1 is here. And there's nothing on the box, so... Surprises! Opens up like that, and there's nice tissue paper inside. Oh! Self-reflecting highlighter. Highlighter is my favourite thing. So it pops off. It's a little lid. And it looks like a gold highlight. Oh, that's nice. Gives a bit of a subtle glow. Come on, focus. I'll just do a bit of my face then. Oh, that's lovely. It's like a balm. Oh, I like that. I do like. And I've no idea how much these things cost because I didn't buy it. I like that. I'm going to put them back in the advent calendar just so I can keep everything together. That's number 1. Now, where is number 2? There it is. Do you do that thing, you know, like with the chocolate advent calendars? Do you actually save them for each day? Or do you take them as and when you're not meant to? Be honest. So number 2 in the calendar is... What is this? Glossed lip. There's the colour. I've no idea what I'm looking at, and I don't have a little mirror, so I'll just need to use my phone. Give me a second. colour is that? Let me know. Whatever colour it has got a horrible taste. It's like, I mean, not that I've tasted it, but you know you can get like, I mean, you do taste with your nose kind of thing, you know what I mean? It kind of tastes like the really cheap hand soap that you get in like restaurants and wherever else it is that you wash your hands in public. I don't like that. Let me just give it something to wipe that off with, hang on. Don't like that at all. Number 3 again comes in this little box with 3 on it. It's a big one. Clear the way, clarifying mud mask. Oh. Usually with mud masks, therefore if you have quite oily skin, aren't they? Yeah, so it's a mud mask. I won't open that, I might keep it as a giveaway. When I get to 300 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway. So tell your friends to subscribe to the channel, and they might be in with a chance of winning. Number 4. It's only a small thing. Honestly, all this tissue paper for that. What is this? Oh! That's a very odd shape. Can you see that? So it's like, it goes thinner in the middle. What is this? What's my line eyeliner? How'd you get it up? Oh, it's so you twist it at the bottom. And there it is there. Oh, and it's very soft. I don't think I've had a retractable eyeliner before. Or have I? Have you seen me use one of those? Tell me below. It's that big box. Number 5. I bet this will be like a lipstick or something, because it feels very light. Let's see. And all this. And you wonder why the world's turning into the place that it is. What are these? Floating under the eyes, depuffing under eye gel pads. Again, if you want to see these in use, you know what to do. Tissue paper, and use it for my gifts. Actually, what I could also use it for is when I'm covering my wig blocks, because, give me a second and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Sometimes I need a bit of contrast and colour in my wig blocks because these come in just like a beige colour, and all of this is tissue paper, so when I come to change the colour, when I get sick of this green, I can just put that around it, put sellotape over it, because that's how I make the colour. Yeah, reduce, reuse, recycle. And this is what I'm working on, just to show you. It's going to be a blonde topper that goes around this area of someone's head. So I'm individually knotting in this blonde hair. Isn't that lovely? Is that number 5? Yeah, it was. So that is Vlogmas number 5. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this. If you have, big thumbs up. Share this video. Comment below what your favourite part was or your favourite product. And join me tomorrow for day 6. Not sure what I'm doing yet, but I'll think of something. And if you have watched, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your time here. And yeah, take care of yourself, keep warm, stay safe, be kind to yourself and others, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!